Dot focus masivule MetaTrader yethu, MetaTrader 5. As you can see, we are in beautiful buys, not beautiful buys, beautiful blues. So but today we're only gonna look at USD Swiss, but I don't mind showing you my analysis on these other two. So this is the weekly time frame of ZAR, USDZAR. I love trading USDZAR because I know so much about the US dollar, and I know so much about the South African rand because I live in South Africa. I was so lula to be up to date with the news events. Understand? That's why I was able to hold this trade for this long, because I understood what was expected. I did my research. Understood what was expected between these two countries. So it made me hold my trade, and that's why I'm expecting so high returns. It's all about patience and knowledge. Euro USD is the most traded currency pair. Okay. Aber still good. Why am I saying that? Because you can obviously see this beautiful doji, right? Doji signifies a great potential for bulls to enter the market. Whenever you see a doji, you should know that it's either we're going in that direction or it's a signal for a reversal. Yeah, well, so I'm just gonna hold some more on this one. But now let's start with our analysis. Put it on landscape, weekly time frame. Clarity, be serious with this thing. Since Marling Forex, wake up. You could chat on TikTok, bruh, and study this. Study how to trade. Okay, now I'm just plotting all the important things I need for explaining in this video. As I told you, you need a strategy. You can't trade without a strategy. You really can't. Like if you don't have a strategy. Okay. So this is the weekly time frame. We use the weekly time frame to just get an idea, right, of where are we going, which direction are we taking, right? This also needs a trained eye, because you might be looking at this and be like, when's the gun going up? But you need a trained eye to understand for how you see a weekly time frame. Don't forget, in Forex, we are working with time frames. We have the 1 hour time frame, yes, and we are from the weekly, the 1 hour time frame, and the 4 hour time frame, we have the daily time frame, and then we have the weekly time frame. People are always scared of that term, time. Forex needs time. So let's do our analysis. I like analyzing with the 1 hour, so that you get each and every detail explained. Okay, so as you can see, the chart is still loading. 54 hour and see it is loading. It gets a data. Should get the data. Okay. Data reached. Okay, so how did we get into this trade? So this trade, as you can see, is what we call a cup and a handle. A cup and a handle. So in Forex, there's a lot of patterns that you need to learn. Patterns that are going to help you understand the market and able you to be able to be confident with every trade you take. Because you need confidence when you're taking a trade. You need to understand that you are king and you understand what you're doing. Yeah, well, you cannot just trade because you want to trade. You need to be cocky with it. Okay, so it's giving me problems. I don't know why. It's the Wi-Fi. Maybe the Wi-Fi. I don't know. I don't know why it doesn't like. Thing is, I've been holding it with the weekly time frame for so long that now going back to a lower time frame, it's too much data to process in such a short period of time. We just need to go back to where we're analyzing so that you can understand how I entered this trade. So as you can see, we have a cup and a cup and a handle market structure. You see, in Forex, as I said, you need to understand all of these special structures that form with market structure patterns. So cup in a mark is basically what it says. It is a impulsive move towards the downside, right? Which then forms a curving. I wish my arrow could curve, but also curve, and then prints out a curving type of structure, right, towards the upside. Right? So we have impulsive move towards the downside, a reversal move towards the upside, but in a curvy type of structure. Why is the curvy part so important? Because the curvy part is caused, right? The heavy part is caused by now buyers and sellers arguing for power. Let me just remove this arrow. It is caused by now buyers and sellers arguing for power, right? As you can see, this is not an impulsive move towards the upside. It is a move that took a while for it to formulate and break out from its resistance, right? On the structure, because don't forget, this is a new structure now. Okay. Clean. That's the resistance. And there, right there, is the support. So you can see how long it took for it to break out of this zone. See how long it took for it to break out of this zone. So that's why it forms a curvy type of structure, because we are taking time now to actually break out of this initial downward movement, but now we are reversing. And now that's the cup. That's the cup part. But don't forget, it is called a cup and handle pattern, market structure pattern. Why is it called a cup and handle? So the handle part is where you're supposed to analyze and sniper in your trades, right? I was late for it, but I anticipated the fact that it is going to happen, because this is a cup and handle market structure pattern. So the handle is over here, up. That's the handle. Why is it the handle? Okay, so it is the handle because After sibuyela kule support le cima line. No, okay, so this stream up. But also this is so important, these trend lines. I cannot remove them. Okay, so resistance. Right, okay. So ngoku, here's the cup, the curvy part of the cup, right? But that's only used to make you remember it, right? That's the term that we use for you to remember it quickly. But actually this is a consolidation which has a resistance, a broken resistance, retested, ne, an impulsive move towards the upside, right? That's basically the structure, right? But we call it a cup and handle so that you remember it, right? You remember the characteristics of it because you're going to use those characteristics to your advantage. Because here, because we understand that we come from a consolidation, resistance, breakout, retest, impulsive move towards the upside, we understand that now the market has power. Market has a huge power because look at these three candlesticks that form right after this retest of the resistance. Three powerful candlesticks formed, now coming to a new zone, a zone that doesn't even need to come back to come and test our resistance. That's how powerful the buyers were in the market. So me seeing that already I was alert that I missed these retest of the support because I didn't trust the support enough, even though I knew what I was expecting, but I didn't trust it enough. So I had to wait for a breakout and a retest right on that wick. Right on that wick, I entered a buy, and the rest was history. Now since the morning, let me zoom out for you and show you where we're at. Look at the amount of data that has printed after I've entered a trade. And a trade yes, I took this one way early. You should watch my previous videos. I don't know which video it is because I upload almost every day videos because I make money every day. So I need to share to you guys how I make this money. I cannot sleep knowing that my people are struggling and that youth is struggling and that I have the golden goose. So let me just help here and there, and then it's up to you if you want to eat the egg or you just want to keep the egg as a show off, like Kana no once begged me for him to teach me this thing called forex. Can't do never forget in that forex is time, patience, and quietness. Are you quiet? Go. We are eating money now. Also now, just waiting for the weekly chart to hit our take profits. Weekly charts, take profits. Look at this beautiful double bottom that formed here. Look at that beautiful double bottom. See, once we see this type of structure that looks like two legs, understand that we're expecting a reversal move, right? And that's exactly what happened. Why is there a cell? I need to remove the cell. We were pressed it by mistake. And this was a book. And you can also see how beautifully it broke out on this trade line. And up to a clash got a 2-1. You can see how beautifully it broke out of this descending trend line, descending, descending trend line. We have our first touch, second touch, third touch, a small consolidation that happened right there, and then boom, breakout. We're expecting the market to reach the first touch of the trend line because that's the rule. After a breakout, we're expecting market to reach heights of equal height as our previous height. And the previous significant height is this one. This so expecting this move to run all the way up to here. Once it gets over here, hits both our profits. Yeah. Hard cash, withdraw, 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 umchini yozitya bra, umchini wempahla, withdraw, livestock, buy assets with passive money. Smart, it's smart, so study. So yeah, that's how I entered this trade. So now we're just waiting. You just want to keep on analyzing if it's still respecting market structure. But now the reason why I don't analyze a lot because I can see this thing now with my naked eye. I don't need to be plotting down these technical analysis, right? Because why? I can see it. I see it now. I remember when I used to listen to YouTube videos, and those for forex gurus will say that they're able to see it now, like without analyzing. They can see it with their naked eye. I'm there now. I'm able to see it with my naked eye without me plotting market structure conditions. So as you can see, we're still respected because it was impulsive move, retracement, impulsive move, retracement, impulsive move, retracement, impulsive move. Why? Because we are in a bullish momentum with bullish characteristics towards the upside. So let us ride the upside. And this is okay. Jita, focus, bro. Focus. Happy trading.